Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2023 Cadillac CT4 Sport featuring an orange blaze metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, wireless phone charging, power sunroof, front and rear park assist, enhanced automatic emergency braking, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have memory seating, powered windows and mirrors. Front controls down below with some storage space. Take a look at the seats. Down to the bottom left is the power seating, lumbar and massaging seats, and we can hop inside. Just to the left we have our power park brake as well as the head-up display. Checking out the steering wheel. On the left side here we have the cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel, and to the right we have our cluster as well as audio controls. We can go ahead and turn the vehicle on. Take a look at the infotainment system. Starting off with our audio, comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We have turn-by-turn directions from OnStar, and it's also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, here is the backup camera. Below that we have our climate controls with heated front seats for both driver and passenger, parking assist, hazards, and lane keep assist. Of course, the wireless phone charging. 2 center consoles here, different drive modes, and here is the center console. We have a ton of storage space with a 12-volt and a USB-C as well as USB. Up top is the rear view mirror. Just above that we have our OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, and the sunroof controls. Here's the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior, here are the wheels, Cadillac badging along the side, black mirror caps and color matched door handles with keyless entry, and some privacy tint on the front and rear windows. We have a black spoiler on the back here, CT4 and Cadillac badging, and we can open it up by just double clicking on the key fob. We have a ton of storage space back here. We also have some hidden storage down below. Very spacious rear. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door, powered windows. We have a 60-40 seat split, and we can hop inside. At the back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle here we have our rear vents, and down at the bottom the 12-volt plug-in. Up top we have handles paired with a dome light matched on the other side, and in the middle here we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. Get a nice view of the power sunroof, and here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2023 Cadillac CT4 Sport. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.